We are going to be on Hinge today. Yeah, Hinge is a dating app, so we're gonna be trying to find some love on Hinge. You feel me? You feel me? Hopefully I can find my wife. Male cows have balls. That's fire. Bro sent me a video. Cut, what is this? Yeah! Bro, wait, we gotta put in some Riz though. You should not go out with me if you have a dick. Yo, I need y'all to rate my Hinge profile. Okay, you ready? I'm using he pronouns, you know what I'm saying? Got this photo. Mogging, like this guy's stalking me as I'm mogging, bro. That's like, you know what I'm saying? I had to use this pic. Random fact I love: no cows have balls, male cows are bulls, right? I'm 6'1", 21, go getter at entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? Gotta let them know I'm about my business. Hispanic, Latino, white, and Caucasian. Looking for a short-term relationship. Put some photos of me, you feel me? Gotta let them know. You know what I'm saying? Got me in the Dewey. You should not go out with me if you're still in love with your ex. Gotta make it clear, gotta make it short and simple, you feel me? Got a mog pic. Dating me is like being locked in an insane asylum, but in a good way. You know what I'm saying? We're waiting for the response to ask me, what do you mean in a good way? I don't know what I'm gonna say to that yet, but it's in a good way, trust me. Bro, we're gonna find our wife on here, bro. Deadass, we're finding our wife on here. Bet. Ugh. Ty-liled. Yo, she's kind of okay. Bless you. What do you guys feel about her? Best way to act me out is plan an actual date. Fuck. I don't want to do that. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's all that movement back there? Is that her ass crack or is that her back bending? That corset is gripping her back so hard it looks like an ass crack. TOS? What are you talking? That's a back. That's not even ass. Organ? Bro, what? Hold on. Fuck, she kind of... I don't know about that one. Okay, Danny. Okay, Danny. Ooh, okay. She got a dog and shit. She with the flowers and shit. You should never have to buy yourself flowers. Oh, wait. You would never have to buy yourself flowers when I'm around. Yeah. Yeah. That's Riz. Abby. Hey, what is with these girls being far as hell? Why? She's in Charleston. Hold on, chat. Let me check this, bro. What the fuck? What is my location set to, bro? Like, holy. Is there like a distance? Because like they're far as hell. Yo, Julian, chill with that. Don't do that. Chill with that. In filters? Bro, where? Bro, we're finding love on Hinge, bro. 100. There's no, like... Where? Oh, wait. Oh, maximum distance. Let's go. We'll do like 30 miles. Yo, chill. Alright, we'll do like a... Okay, bet. We'll do like 50 miles. Fuck it. I don't even have a car, but fuck it. Alright, bet. Chat, we're gonna find our wife right now. We're finding our wife, bro. What are we feeling about this? Whoa, wait, chat. Whoa. Wait, I'm seeing some motion. Wait. Wait, can I send a voice message? I can't send a voice message, bro. What? I'm gonna hit her with the... Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna hit her with the woof. Yeah. Sometimes I'm just gonna bark at her. Alright, bet. She, okay. Oh shit, she feeding me some melon? Hold on. Chat, I'm seeing. Hold on! I'm seeing some talent that can't go unnoticed. Okay. Okay, eating my simple pleasures, eating cottage cheese out the tub. I got this. Hi, Four Eyes, mods ban him. I'm gonna say subs. Here, I got this. Substitute me for the cottage cheese and then we have a date. Bro. Substitute me instead of the cottage cheese and then we have a date. Bro. Substitute me for the cottage cheese. Then we got a date. And then we need like a wink. Yes. Yo.
I think you should make your cam a little bigger, bro.
My camera bigger?
Yeah. Like your widget.
Alright. Okay, bet. Alright, bet. Substitute me for the cottage cheese and then we got a date. Yeah, she gonna fuck with that. Chat, we got no matches so far, chat. We gonna get to... Hubba. Wait. Is this a two-man? Wait, is this a two-man? Wait. Is this a two-man?
Two-man?
Yo, bro, come look at this talent.
Two-man.
Come look at this talent. Wait. We might have something on our hands. Wait.
Two-man.
Wait. Look.
Snow Bunny Central?
Look.
Oh.
Okay.
Hold on.
Alright, okay.
But that is a potential two-man right there.
Wait. Let's look at the other options. You can't. Hold on. Yo, bro, I'm sorry. I might have to sit this two-man out. I think I might have just found my wife.
Hold on, wait. Is that the second individual?
No, these are just all different girls.
Oh.
But those two girls. Hold on. There's motion. Hold on. I'm getting distracted.
I think we should go back to that two-man because I'm trying to eat too. You feel me?
You know what? Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, what happens if there's more? Wait,
Probably
Julia.
more two-mans.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
If there's one man, there probably is a second. You know
Yes, okay. If I find another two-man, I'm gonna let you know. I won't use my rose. The rose is the important one.
Right.
No, I'm gonna find a two-man. Okay, chat. Let's just. Nah, this is not valid. It's not a valid one. All right, chat. Are we saying yes to this? You are romantic, bro. Boring. Okay, bet. Okay, skipping this. Maya. Damn, her lips are fucking huge. I fuck with that though. Yo. Wait, I'm fucking with her. Wait. Chat, her lips are fake, but like, okay, wait, bro. You like black girls? I mean, if you fine, you fine. If you fine, you fine. If you fine, you fine. Dead ass. I'ma say, okay, chat, tell me if this is Riz. I'm gonna be like, your lips are fake, but you can have my real ones instead. That's Riz! Wait, that's fucking Riz! Is that not Riz? I'm sending that. That's Riz. Are you sure you want to send this detected language from this person that might be uncomfortable? What? Why is that? Bro, that's Riz. She gonna fuck with that. Chat, she gonna fuck with that. Deadass. Not really my cup of tea. Okay. Chat, what are we thinking? Chat, what are we thinking? Chat. I don't know. I think we could find a wife, like a better wife. Oh, but like, where the fuck are they spawning this? I'm seeing some things that they're spawning, and what is going on Hinge? I didn't know Hinge had this much motion. Where's she at? Central LA? When I look... Chat, what should we say? Chat, somebody, what should we say? What should we say? Chat, what should we say? What should we say, chat? Deadass, I'm curious. I'm curious what we should say. Chat, I need y'all help. Her ass is so far like a strawberry, I just want to eat it. Is that tough? Yeah, no. Mods ban him. What the fuck? I'm not saying that. Bro, okay. She's bad. She's cute, bro. She's cute. She's cute. What should we say, bro? Hubba hubba? Alright, bet. Hubba hubba. Yeah, just gotta... Holy motion. Actually, I take that back. All these girls put in their fucking... Everybody... Hold on. Hold on. Head? Weirdest gift I have given or received. Head. Wait. 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 Wait, 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 wait. Wait. It's my birthday. Where my gift at? No, for real. Like, where my gift at? Wait, wait. What the fuck? Hold on. Wait, there's motion. Boxed in Thailand for a bucket? Are we feeling this? Where's she at? Chinatown. Holy shit, buddy. We trying, best gamer. Wait, chat. London? Wait, she from London, huh? Wait, wait, wait. She here visiting. Wait, oh, wait. I got my... Wait. Me and the homie got our scuba gear. 2-man? Is that Riz? Is that Riz? Oh, hell nah. That's fine, chat. We got this. We got the rose. We got the rose. What do you mean self-respect and morals? Fuck that shit. We're trying to run 2-mans. Fuck that. Chat, we got one rose for one lucky lady. How old is she? 27? Holy, pushing 30, I can't. 21 with a friend. She's up there as a contender. No hard feelings. No hard feelings. Okay. Okay. I play fucking tennis here. Holy. I don't know, maybe her. Oh my lordy. I put needles in people for a living? Wait, is it bad that I kind of want her to do that to me? Pump and dump is good. Wait, what? Chat, she's valid. She's bad, bro. She's bad. Your favorite song, Ella? What the fuck? Who touching my shorty like that? Nah. I gotta say something. Why he touching my girl like that? Why he touching my girl like that? Why he touching my girl like that? For real, like what the fuck? The fuck going on? Okay, chat. We sent out Okay, we sent out all of our thing. Wait, how much does it cost to upgrade to Hinge X? 3 months, $7 a week? One month is $12 fucking dollars? Holy shit. Bodie, can you say some weird shit like I gooned to your photos? Wait, what? Wait, $12 a week? Wait, what the fuck? That's a lot. What does Hinge Plus do? Send unlimited likes. That's all I want. 1 month, $10 a week? Chat, which one's the cheapest one? Why would I just do this one and just pay for like a week or 2 weeks? That would be cheaper than this shit. Who's paying for that? That's what I'm saying, bro. This shit's expensive as fuck. Is there a free dating app? This is a free dating app, but like, I want unlimited swipes. Get 1 month for $44.99. Jay, the fa has been in the soundboard for so long. Wait, $44.99. $148. Oh my god. Tweaking. Why is this shit so expensive? Holy shit. We coming up, track. You can get Creative Crowd for less than that. Bro, this is expensive as fuck. 1 week is $20. Boost? What does this mean? Oh, hell no. Chad, $20, is this worth the investment, bro? We can do Hinge streams when Caleb's here too. Low-key might be worth, bro. Feet or armpits? What do you mean by that? Okay, Chad, I think I'm gonna buy the $20, bro. L investment? Chad, we can do fucking Hinge streams for a week. Should we do or should we do Tinder? We gotta download Tinder, chat. Bro, can they match with me already? I want a girl. Get a tax write-off Tinder? Bro, how much is Tinder? Hold on, let me pull up Tinder. Dude, because we can like find a wife on Tinder and shit. We need the cracked version, bro. Try to get a Hinge date in 7 days. I think it's cheaper. Or Tind Easy. I think Tinder would low-key be valid, bro. I'm downloading Tinder right now. But I gotta like set it up. Let me see. I think I might have got banned off Tinder for life though. I might have got banned off Tinder for life, chat. Hold on, I'm putting in my info. Hold on, chat. I think I might have got permabanned, bro. If I got permabanned, I'm gonna be kind of mad, bro. Continue with Apple. Bodie. Hold on, chat. I gotta put in my info. Why are they asking me for my social security? Do I give it? Hilly is cheap. Who the fuck uses Hilly? What is that? Who? Bro, just try Wiz? What is Wiz? What are these apps? Wait, what are these apps? Deadass. Wiz is crazy. That's crazy. You'd be surprised. Bro, I don't want bottom of the barrel girls. Like, I want, like, some fine shit. Like, I don't, what is on Hilly? I'm confused. Honestly, I'm gonna, off stream, I'm gonna set up. I'm gonna download, like, every dating app. I'm gonna download every dating app and then fucking just try to find a wife in there. What's your education level, bro? What? Fucking, I don't even know. High school? Like, shit. Asking me all these questions and shit. Let's talk about lifestyle. How often do you drink? Should I just be like most nights? Most nights. Smoking with drinking. Do you work out? Never. Do you have any pets? I want a pet. That's why I'm on Tinder. Okay. Bet. I'm a video chatter. Receive love, touch. Duh. Zodiac sign Leo. Alright, bet. What are you into creatively? I'm into cosplay. Fuck it. Let's do some. Nah, I don't fuck with any of that shit. I feel like girls would put Disney though. Let's do some fucking acai. Yeah, gaming. Nah. Going out, thrifting. Okay. Let's go. Raves. The girls will love the raves. I hate raving, bro. Gotta lie. Music. Fuck. No, I'm not putting anything. Skiing. I'm gonna say driving or diving. The fuck? Social content? Oh, hell no. Virtual reality for that shit, because why not? Let's sports, bro. We just do something. Staying inside. Online games. Home workout. Values. Feminism. Wellness and lifestyle. Self-love, bro. I'm maximum. Okay, bet. I got you, Julian. Okay, we're gonna add some pictures. I'm adding pictures right now. I can't show y'all because, like, low-key my camera was kind of wild. But, okay, we're gonna pick that. We're gonna just choose the same photos that I used for that. The last one. If y'all saw my camera roll, y'all would look at me different 100%, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I got some... Bro, I don't be deleting shit, and I be taking photos and videos of, like, literally everything. I'm not gonna lie. So you guys might see some... You know what I'm saying? Like, you guys might see some crazy shit in this bitch. Hold on, chat. We're almost done. I'm picking out all the photos. Bro, I look good in these pics, bro. In these flicks, it's gonna be tough. Trackmon, we still Yo, what the fuck? Brody, have you tried Golly gummies? If you do you think they actually make a difference? I did ashwagandha for, like, a month, and low-key, I got off that shit because I could not feel my normal emotions, and that shit was ass, bro. Ashwagandha, do not be on ashwagandha, bro. I do not recommend ashwagandha. I just was numb, bro. Like, I couldn't feel anything. I was like, fuck this. I didn't like it. Hold on, chat. We're almost done. How many photos do you need? Alright, bet. Alright, bet. Selecting the photos. Let's go. Bow. What is going on? Crop photo. Let me crop this shit then. What the fuck is going on? Crop it. Okay, bet. Why is it cropping like that? What the fuck? Cut. Why is it not... What is going on? Why my shit cropping like that? Yeah. Alright, bet. Why my shit cropping like that, cut? What the fuck is going on? Alright, bet. Hold on, let me... Yeah, we're good. This is good. This is straight. Okay, bet. I'm gonna put this one first though, cause I like this one. Okay, this is fire. This is fire. Okay, bet. Okay. Let me set the location. Oh wait, about me. Okay, bio. What should we do? I'm gonna say. Oh wait, I got this. This is a perfect bio. 6'1", Costco Platinum member. I like long walks on the beach. And I love matcha. Yes. Bet. 6'1", Costco Platinum member. I like long walks on the beach and I love matcha. Bet. Select prompt. Okay, bet. Yo, Tiana, thank you for the follow. If I was a food, I'd probably be... Chat, which one should we do? Bodie, my ex likes my TikTok. What do I do? Report her to the IRS for tax evasion. You're welcome. I appreciate that. Okay, chat, which one? The most savage thing I've ever done? Oh, they don't want to know that. What if I told you that... Chat, which one? We need a prompt, bro, to find a wife. I'll survive the zombie apocalypse by sacrificing you to keep me alive. I bet. Alright, bet. Alright, let me put my... I think I have to put my addy. Okay, bet. I'm putting my addy in. Okay, bet. Wait, I gotta do a test. Alright, bet. I'm getting verified in this hoe. Yeah. We getting verified in this hoe. Let's go. We finding a girl, bruh. Yo, Joseph with the fucking sub. Appreciate you, Gengo. Alright, bet. We getting verified in this hoe. Damn, this shit loading. How fucking long does this shit take? Let me find a wife, bro. I don't like that photo. Wait, I need to add a different one. What the fuck going on? Hold on, chat. Oh my god, I have to piss so bad. Hold on, chat. Yo, buddy, where did that guy... Yo! 2 more days until Lil KK pulls the exact... No, he comes on the 17th, so 3 more days. Hold on, chat. We're almost done. Alright, wait. I'm adding 1... Alright, bet. Okay, bet. Wait, bet. This is the profile? This is the profile. Okay, I don't want this photo. Okay, wait. Hold on, chat. I'm taking this photo off. Okay, bet. This is the profile. Chat, rate my profile. Alright. Wait, why is this the first photo? Did I not just... Bro, this is what I'm saying, cuh? You're good to go? Fuck. No! It's not my first... Okay, this is my first photo. I'll survive... Okay, I'll survive a zombie apocalypse by sacrificing you to keep me alive. You know, I just gotta keep it a real with shorty. Gotta keep it real. Second photo. 6'1", Costco Platinum member. I like long walks on the beach, and I love matcha. Keeping it a buck, you know what I'm saying? No cap in my rap. No cap in my rap. Bow. Selfie, Morgan. Bow. See, you can see that I'm cultured. I got some seasoning. I got the do-rag on with the fucking, you know what I'm saying? I'm pouring up. Bow. You know, can see I can make faces. Bow. Sees I'm diverse. You know what I'm saying? I'm diverse. And I don't know what the fuck this black photo is. But then, you know what I'm saying? Rate that. Chat, what do you guys rate that? Yo, Sen, can you sit on the computer for a second? I'm gonna pee. Oh, okay. Oh, the fuck? Alright, bet. Make the yellow face in the first one so it attracts the girls. No. That is not working, Kai. Okay. Wait, we can deadass. Bro, wait. We can find a woman. This what the fuck is going on? I think I have to reload my shit. Hold on, chat. Because my shit is like lagging. Opening up Tinder right now. Okay, bet. Skip. I don't need no tutorial. Skip. Holy shit. Invite later. Whoa. Damn, she drive a Corvette? She drive a Corvette? Hold on. Wait, she 18 driving a Corvette? This looks like a fucking... This looks like a bot. I'm not matching with her. Wait, 2-man. 2-man. Oh. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. Natalie. Okay. Okay. 27. Holy. Wait, hold on. Introverted people. I work with humans. Finger skating. Yeah. Okay. You know, fuck it. We fucking with her? Yes or no, chat? I'm not really. I'm okay. Paying like 15K in taxes this year at 18. Paying. If you're paying less, don't even know what that means. Please don't hit me up. What the OF, girl, bro? The fuck she say? I'm okay, bro. I'm okay. She's okay. I love walking and just hanging out. I don't know what I'm looking for relationship wise, but I do want friends. Friends? Who the fuck goes to Tinder for some friends? You go to Tinder to get clapped or clap? What the fuck are you doing on here looking for friends? I want to see what kind of friends she's looking for. Okay, little cutie. And she got a cute wiener dog type shit. He's about to head out at this world. Like, he looks like he's about to pass. No cap. I'll match, though. Take care of her dog one time. She got the pen and the yitties? And she got a 2-man for me and the homies? Come on. I love getting tats. Look at that body. She's scary, though. I don't know. She looked like she would, like, beat me up. Chat, we saying yes to this? Fuck it. Fuck it. Bro, can we up the fucking age? Like, come on. What the fuck going on? We already got a like!
Hold on, wait, 2-man?
We already got a like, bro.
So 2-man?
Yeah, this is a 2-man right here. Me and you.
Oh, that one coming through. I love me some rice.
Okay, she valid. She hit the gym. She got the glasses on. Mirror selfies. I love to spend time with family and friends. You know, okay. She got a interesting build. What are we saying, chat? I'm gonna say no. Not bad. Fuck it. She's 400 pound smash. I feel like she's Brazilian just from her name, Gabriella. It's a Brazilian ass name. She got the Brazilian ass hair too. Fuck it. Content creation. Hey, mama a little famous or something? I'm looking for a generous man. Bro, I'm generous, bro. Not for her though. I low-key fuck with shaved eyebrows. That's kind of wild, bro. Okay. I fuck with shorty. My favorite scenario character is Pinocchio. I can't even read, bro. What's good, Nelly Belly? I low-key fuck with you trying to link. What? Alright, chat. We fucking with her? I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. Yo! I accidentally said yes. And she got homegirls. Now, and we got homegirls. And we got homegirls. Bow. She don't got any homegirls for us. You got homegirls? Oh. Yo, bro. We got a 2-man. We got a 2-man. Yo. Come here. We got a 2-man, bro.
Wait, what?
We got a 2-man. I got the one on the right. You got the left one?
Oh. Hold on, wait. Can you grab a substitute on that one?
No. This is the 2-man, bro.
No, yeah. I think Monty would like that one.
You got this shit.
No, yeah. That's Monty Cloud Squad.
Chat. Damn, Tinder's giving us a lot of swipes, bro. Are we fucking with her, chat? Natalie? We fucking with Natalie? We fucking with Natalie, chat? Yes or no? Yes or no? We'll fuck with her? Okay, bet. What is the choppedest girl I've ever seen? Probably on Tinder, bro. I'm gonna have to pass on that. Damn, she got snacks? Yo, son, I got you, bro.
Nah, bro. I think I'm gonna pass on that one.
You don't even know what she looks like. I'm gonna hook Caleb up with her when she comes out. Damn. What do you think she's trying to advertise in these photos? Bow, bow, bow. Shit. She just popping it. Holy. Fuck it. Who's on Tinder looking for friends? Chat, we got one match right now, bro. We got one. Oh, shit! We got 3 matches! Hold on, chat. We got 3 matches, chat. Wait, what ethnicity is that, chat? What ethnicity is that flag? My ex? Let's link up, baby? Ooh, she a freak. Wait, what's that flag? She look foreign. Chad, that flag's like Ecuadorian or some shit. Yeah. Fuck it. Yeah. That's a whole ass dude? Wait, what you mean? Wait, that's a trans flag? What you mean, bruh? What you mean, bruh? Bruh, fuck. We're not gonna match with her. Or him. Sorry. We're not gonna match with him. We're good. On to the next, bro. Oh my. Just, hey, bored baddie. Looking for friends with benefits while I finish college. Bonus points if you have tattoos on your or you're on Prozac. Can and will outsmoke you. For the girls too. Wait, she looking for a fuck with, buddy? Fuck it. I'm gonna have to pass. I'm gonna have to pass on that one. Workaholic raver. I'm gonna have to pass on that one. I'll have to pass on that one. I'm gonna 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 have to pass on that one also. She has homegirls. I'm doing it because she has homegirls for the boys, bro. Buddy, we all have to come out the closet. Wait, what? She looks like a bot. Okay. She looks like a bot, bro. Chat, what we thinking? She cute? She cute? 41 miles away? Hell no. Give me ride to downtown LA Mall. Shorty's on here looking for a ride. You got ass or fucking gas money? Who can bring me a J tonight? What are these girls doing on here, bro? Girls are just asking for fucking weed on this bitch or rides. Okay, Sophia. Hi. Did you know 99% of gamblers quit before their win big? Oh my god. I don't even care if she looked. Just from that bio, I'm matching with her. Why are you 7,000 miles away? Fuck it. Hey, Grace. And she got homegirls? Okay, okay. If she got homegirls, she goes up a rank. Okay. Hold on. Chat? Okay. I like you. Matching with you. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay. The skims always be getting me. That skims always be getting me! I'm saying, she's cute. And she got homegirls. Come on. Not interested in let's vibe or let's smoke. On God, bruh. I'm gonna hit her with the let's vibe when we match. Hey, looking for some romance and a good time. Am I tweaking, chat? Am I tweaking? I think there's an imposter among us. Chat, I think there's an imposter among us. Something up. I'm gonna have to deny that. Holy tsunami! Oh! She probably has a nice personality. Hold on. I have a boyfriend, open relationship. Wait. What? Shorty said. Wait, what? Shorty said, I have a boyfriend, open relationship. Wait. Fuck it. What the fuck is this? Not looking for anything serious, but I'm open to it. I'm okay at texting, but love calling. She's kind of cute. Fuck it. Not my cup of tea. Want to find out what heaven's like? This is a bot, bro. Who the fuck types that in their bio? Chat, is this a bot? Do I match with her? Yes or no? Say a random fact. If you're on Tinder, you're there to crack or get cracked. That's a No? Okay, I won't. I have a few bit of piercings and I started light workouts. What does that mean? Nah. I'm into dudes just like you, buddy. Can we link? I also live near you. Fuck no. What? Wait, what do you mean you like dudes like me? I don't like dudes. Fuck it. We got 3 more likes. 3 more likes, chat. I'm 24, not 26. She got that aesthetic vibe to her, but I'm not fucking. Oh. Something's up with. I don't know. Chat, is there an imposter among us? That's a man? Chat, is there an imposter among us or no? I don't know. Fuck it, let's find out. She cute? Fuck it. We got 1 more like, chat. 1 more like, it's gotta be a good one. It's gotta be a good one, chat. Oh, fuck. It's gotta be a good one, chat. Looking for somebody to take care of me. What? Fuck it. Wait, is that... Do we get more? Oh, we do have more. Okay, bet. Okay, Stephanie. This is the gym I go to. Or I used to go to. Alright, bet. How many matches we got? Yeah! We got 6 motherfucking matches. Okay, bet. Alright. We have to wait till tomorrow to get all the matches to come back, but hit me up if you're looking for a small Asian girl who can't cook and binge watches entire seasons in one sitting. This is a bot.
Too good to be true.
No, that's a bot. Like the photos were a bot for show. Compton. Oh, she kind of cute, chat. Oh. Wait, is there an imposter among us? Chat. Am I tweaking? Am I tweaking? I'm gonna have to take the safe route on that one. I like her. She's not doing too much and she's simple, but I like her tats. Okay, her build. Okay, I'm fucking with that. I'm fucking with that. Nah, my cup of tea. This looks like a bot. This looks like a bot. What the fuck? Shorty just put in the... What are these girls putting the yams out there for free? Tell them you only like BBC? What? Hi, Maria. Look at that posture cut. That shit turned me off. Nah, I'm okay off that. No, I'm okay off that. I'm okay off that. She just kind of looked like a bot. No. Looking to meet new people. Oh, I love those cats, though. I'm gonna say yes because the cats. What the fuck? No, hell no. Read my motherfucking ask me a question. What'd you ask? Can you send nudes? That's my question. No. What the fuck? Bodie, check your Discord. Hold on, I'm looking for my wife real quick. I'm almost done. Hold on, we have more. Do we get any more matches? No, we just still have 6. Okay, wait. Ooh. Okay, I fuck with you. Ooh. Okay, I fuck with you. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Chat, are we seeing any motion? Y'all, you're falling in love or nah? I'm not seeing like that much. I'll steal your fries. Fuck no. Fuck no. Guess my celebrity doppelganger? She wants a firefighter. Wait, she has a car. Wait, chat, I don't got a car. Wait, her having a car is automatic. Yes, bro. I got low standards. Okay, bet. We went through all the swipes. Okay, tomorrow we're going to come back and hopefully we have some matches. Maybe we have some matches. Buddy, look at Discord. These bitches out your league. Who? Let me see. Let me see. Where? Yo! Found you on a new Twitter. Chat and yo! What the fuck? Can you rate my short?
I'll buy you anything at the mall, but if you go
showed me this like 5 times.
for the secret budget, you get nothing. I have that. Get some chips.
Alright, let's go. I'm not Mr. Beats. Are you getting Doritos? Is that it?
I would just lower the music.
Let me push my luck. That's it, yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's see if it declines.
But everything is.
I'm actually poor right now, so this actually might decline.
$5. But you should also mention how much money he could have spent. And like just to clip farm, like say if he only spent $5, you should have been like, without. You should let him know.
57 cents. Let's see. Come on.
Let's see. Oh, he did. Let's see.
Oh no! Appreciate it.
No problem, bro.
I'll buy you anything at the mall, but if you go.
No, you should have been like, you should have clip farm and been like, he could have spent $5,555, but he didn't know. Like some shit like that. So people comment like, oh my god, next if I ever see him in public, blah blah blah. You feel me? Like say some crazy amount. Chat, we're gonna fucking, bro, we're gonna find our wife, bro. Yo, what is this link that somebody just sent in chat? I am not clicking that shit. Yo! What the fuck? Oh, yo. What was that? Yo. Find the hottest girl and ask her if you can crack her. Yo, grown man, bro. What do you mean? That's weird. Not going up to a random girl and being like, hey, can I crack you? Like, what the fuck? There's a difference between Riz and sexual harassment, cut. Wait, chat, we got one notification on we got a match on Hinge, chat! Wait, we got a match on Hinge. Oh my god, wait. Chat. Chat, we got a match on Hinge. We got one match on Hinge. Woo! Let's see who it is. Wait. Let's see who. What should we say to her, chat? What should we say to her, chat? We got our first match, bro. She's our first match. Nicole's our first match. What should we say, bro? Or did she text us? No, she waited for us to text her. Chat, what should we say? Tell her to lose some weight. If she ain't 280, she ain't a lady. A flower face, bro. She's gonna break your bones when you crack. Yo, you guys are rude, bro. Let's see, bro. She wants kids. Oh my god. Barista at Whole Foods. Wait, what? You can fucking order drinks at Whole Foods? I'm gonna just say. I'm gonna just send it a grape emoji, bro. Or I'm gonna send like a strawberry emoji. Fuck it, bro. Actually, I'm not gonna like even say shit. I'm just gonna wait for her. Have you hit a hole in one? Okay, chat. We're not gonna say anything to her, but you know, if we ever are pretty down bad, she's right there. Bro, we're waiting for the matches to come in. We gotta wait like at least a day, bro. At least a day for these bitches to come in. But off stream, I'm gonna go on a couple dating apps, I think, and set them up. Search history check? Hell no. But off stream, I think I'm gonna download like a few dating apps and probably run it up. I'm gonna run it up.